Let's take a look at these examples. I have 50 over 150. 50 and 150 are divisible by 50. 50 divided by 50 is 1. 150 divided by 50 is 3. Now let me solve this problem one more time. We have 50 over 150. For example, you are not saying that 50 and 150 are divisible by 50. What you're supposed to do? Just remember that anytime you have number which ends with 0, this number is for sure divisible by 10. Okay, so 50 divided by 10 is 5. 150 divided by 10 is 15. Okay, now if you have numbers which end with 5, they are for sure divisible by 5. That's why I'm going to divide numerator and denominator by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. This is my answer. 1/3, 1/3. Let's take a look at another example. I have 21 over 33. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 is divisible by 3 and 6 is divisible by 3. Remember, anytime you add these two numbers and you get number 3, and these two numbers added together are going to give me the number which is divisible by 3, means this number is divisible by 3 and this one is also divisible by 3. So I have 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 33 divided by 3 is equal 11. This is the solution to this problem. Okay, next I have 48 over 56. 48 and 56, both of them are divisible by 8. 48 divided by 8 is equal 6. 56 divided by 8 is equal 7. Okay, this is the solution to this problem. Let's check one more time. I have 48 over 56. Now for those of you who are not saying that 48 is divisible by 8 and 56 are divisible by 8, 48 and 56 are divisible by 2 because both of them are the even numbers. So 48 I can divide by 2 and divide by 2. Always start from the lowest common factor, okay? In this case is 2. 48 divided by 2 is equal 24. 56 divided by 2 is 28. Again, I got two even numbers, okay? And we said that even numbers are divisible by 2, so I'm going to reduce them by 2. 24 divided by 2 is equal 12. 28 divided by 2 is equal 14. Again, we got two even numbers. We said even numbers are divisible by 2. So 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. This is the answer to my problem. 6 over 7, 6 over 7.